Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with another cool product from K-Tek. You can go to KTekPro.com to see this. It's the Airo Mixer Bag 1. It's a bag for smaller mixer recorders like the SD Mix Pre-3 or Mix Pre-6 or Zoom F4 and F8. So if you're a person who normally operates sound on a set or video or audio recordings, you're the guy who's holding the boom mic, etc., etc. This is a bag that you can take and wear and hold your small mixers, recorders, and all that stuff in it, and still have access to the dials, being able to turn the knobs, etc., etc. It's got an easy Velcro rip clear top on the top of it to protect it from rain or dust or any sort of things. But then it also has got a thing where you can move it so you can reach in and adjust your sound knobs and everything else without fully pulling it out of the bag. Pretty cool, and it's got open different ports on every side so that you can take and run your cords and everything through, and away you go. Clear removable shield just gives you additional protection and all that good stuff, and a large side bottom zipper opening allows for easy access for inputs, outputs, media, and battery components. Wireless receivers can be attached to it in a mole style attachment points in the front of the bag, and the sides feature Velcro loops as additional attachment points. Strong top D-rings act as hanging points for the included shoulder strap. Pretty impressive, and I'm impressed with it as much. So be sure to go check it out at KTekPro.com, the K-Tek Airo Mixer Bag.